Hi guys, my name's Meon Murder. I'm going to show you today how to enhance an eye in the image manipulation software known as GIMP. No, I know you've seen movies with GIMPs in, but this is very different, trust me. What we're going to do is we're going to take a picture of an eye, as we have here. We're going to enhance the centre of the eye so it really pops out of the screen. The way we're going to do that is by using different modes for different layers, and we're also going to use in the colours section the invert, and that's going to help us get the effect that we want. Okay, so I think first of all, before we start any project, you always need to make a copy of the original image in case, like me, you mess up quite a lot. Okay, so to do that, you just click on the original eye picture and click on the double screen duplicate, and that will create a copy of the image that you've got. I'm just going to zoom in a bit here so I can see what I'm doing. I'm going to make a selection. First of all, make sure that the eye is actually selected that you want to work on, the layer. Select the ellipse tool, which makes a circle selection, and then click and drag so you've got a circle roughly the same size as the centre of the eye. You can adjust it so that it fits exactly into place. What you don't want to do here is get the selection onto the white. If it's on the white, the end result is not as effective. Okay, so we've got our selection now. What I'm going to do first of all is feather the edges. This will make it so that it's not such a definite line. So if you clicked on select at the top, and then we've got a 5 pixel feather selection. So click on feather and then click OK when it's on 5 pixels. Okay, then all we're going to do is click on edit, copy, edit and paste. And what that will do, it'll create a floating selection. Very mystic, I know. But all that is really, it's just it's like a pre-layer really before you make the proper layer. If you want to make it a proper pasted layer, you click on this little page button here, and that creates an actual pasted layer of the selection you made. And it should have the copy of the centre of the eye on it. Okay, make sure that layer is selected. Next we're going to select colours, and then scroll down to invert. Now this is going to make a very strange looking eye, but don't worry, it'll look wonderful at the end. As you can see, it looks like she's got cataracts, but it's not going to look forever, so don't you worry. Once again, make sure the pasted layer is selected, and then we're going to change the mode. Now this is where the magic happens. Click on the down arrow, and that'll bring all the different modes available. Click on divide, and instantly the eye looks amazing. As you can see, it's really starting to pop out, and it sort of brought out the lighter areas of the inside of the eye and made them glow. Now we can increase this effect by... Oh, before we do that, I'll tell you what we're going to do. You see this little pink area here? We're going to delete that with the eraser tool. Use a fuzzy brush, and I've got it set to about 12. Because what it is, that's just a leftover selection that went slightly over the eyelid. So we're going to delete that off. And there we go. Absolutely fantastic. So it's you can't tell at all that it's been there. Okay, if you want to enhance it now, we're going to click on the pasted layer and then click on the duplicate box again, and all that is it doubles the effect. So now you've got a really fully enhanced eye which really glows. Very interesting, I know. So this is what it was like before without the 2 layers that we added, and this is what it's like now. Absolutely fantastic. So that's my little instruction on how to make an eye that glows and pops, and I hope you enjoyed it. Like it if you do, If you didn't, then, well, I don't want to see you again. So have fun, take care, and this is me on Murder signing out. Take care, bye.